Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you the process how you can give your Facebook page access to anyone, kind of if you're wanting to give access for the agency, any agency or any user to who can manage your Facebook page, and you can provide customized access. So in this video I will show you the step-by-step process so how you can give your Facebook page access. So first thing, you can click on the top right corner drop down and you will select your Facebook page, and you can see this is your Facebook page. So this is your Facebook page landing page URL, and this is the dashboard. And after that you can click on the settings button, and you can scroll something, so you can see page setup button. So you can click on this and you can click on the page access section, and you will see this is your Facebook user management dashboard. So simply if you can wanting to provide a full access about your Facebook page, so you can click on add new, and you can click on the next button. So you can select any users. So suppose that I can select my friend. So there is two options. So you can search by name, or you can fill user name, user email address. So there is two options. You can proceed with anyone. So if a user are added in your friend list, so you can select search by name, either you can use email address. Okay, so this is my friend and I wanting to provide access. So there is a total 3 to 4 options. So you can provide content. So he will manage your he will create content, manage, that means he can going to delete your post, the stories, and the manage your Facebook messages and the calls, community activity, kind of any spam management, spam comments management, and he will also manage your Facebook ads and your Facebook insights. And if you can check this box, check this icon, so you will provide your full Facebook page access. That means the user can gonna to, if user can wanting to, he can remove you in your Facebook page, and also if he can wanting, so he can delete your Facebook page. Whatever he wanting, he can do on your Facebook page. So if you are providing Facebook page access, so you can make sure your all settings, then after that you can click on the give access button. So this is a process, and if you can click on this, and you will send your access. So and also there is another option. So if you can click on the, if you can wanting to provide a customized access, so you can click on the this button, people with task access. So you can click on this and you can click on the next button, and you can select any user, and there is an option to you can provide a customized access. So if you wanting to provide only he can manage your content, he can create content, he can delete content, and the stories, he can manage anything related to your feed. So this is the option. And if you're wanting to provide a message, community activity, and also if you wanting to provide ads and insights, so you can give access from there. And he cannot manage your overall Facebook page as a admin. So he cannot delete your Facebook page, he cannot revoke you and anything. So this is the safe option. So you can use these option, and you can click on the give access button, and he will asking you, Facebook will ask you for your password, and you can click on the confirm button, and you have sent it invite your Facebook access community invite notification. So if he will accept your notification, and on this on Sant Kumar account, there is two options. He will going to accept your request, either he can going to decline your access. Between 30 days he can accept. If he can accept your invitation, he will going to manage your content. So this is a process for the Facebook access. So if you guys are watching till end, so I hope you guys will got clarity something, so how you can provide a Facebook page access to anyone. So this is a process for the Facebook access. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.